Wait, my iPad's getting wet.
What?
It's
Brother,
getting
stand
wet.
Here. Stand right here.
Huh? But no, it needs to.
Stop! Stop! That's our fault! Stop!
Serena, look at that. No more, no more, no more. Stop now.
I told you! Just stop! That's how I felt! That's how I felt last time from you!
Okay, put it back and let's go home.
No! You're at home! Now you're home, Linda!
Let's go to the house.
Well, we're already at the house!
Okay, let's go.
Oh, wait! You can go,
It's
Linda.
better we go to watch the video.
Okay, one more time.
Okay, Carmen, you're the other side. After that, we go to watch a movie.
Wait, stop! Stop.
You're heavier than Carmine, Serena. That's why. Okay, that's enough. Let's go. Okay.